What's up, Ryker owners? Brandon here at SlingMods.com, and today we have our CVT transmission skid plate for the Can-Am Ryker. If you own a Can-Am Ryker, you may have noticed that the composite CVT transmission housing is pretty darn exposed on the underbelly of the Ryker, and is actually one of the lowest points on the bike, making it susceptible to potential damage from rocks, speed bumps, and other potential road debris. Now obviously, damage to the CVT transmission housing while riding would not only be detrimental to the bike, but could potentially leave you stranded with some fat repair costs. Which is why we partnered up with the team over at Chrome Accessories to bring you guys a simple and cost-effective solution for protecting this part of the bike. Our one-piece aluminum CVT transmission skid plate is laser cut from 2.6mm thick aluminum and measures in at 10.5 inches wide, giving your Ryker CVT transmission the protection it deserves. Now this skid plate includes all necessary hardware for a 100% bolt-on application that can be done on your lunch break. So now that you know what this mod is and what it can do for you, allow me to walk you through the installation process on one of our shop Rykers. Start by attaching your skid plate bracket to these two open holes on the front of your CVT transmission, using 2 of the 4 hex head screws finger tight to start. And then use a 5/16 wrench to tighten them down the rest of the way, making sure not to over tighten. Next, add a little dab of removable thread lock to these 2 button head screws. And then use them to attach the skid plate to the skid plate bracket. Using a 4mm Allen wrench to tighten them down, making sure not to over tighten. Now use the remaining 2 hex head screws to secure the back of the skid plate to the back 2 holes on your CVT transmission, using the 5/16 wrench to tighten them down without over tightening. And there you have it, folks. So protecting your CVT transmission housing is on your mod list. And be sure to head on over to SlingMods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.